very clever move. I mean, very nice move. Not gonna say clever by mini clip. First, they brought the Moonlight season. Then they brought first week the Moonlight win streak. Then Moonlight tournament. Now we have the Jackpot Championship. And you already saw the cue with which I'm gonna play. It is my break. And okay, once again, now this table is an example of, how only the borders of a table can make it look beautiful. I mean, this table is basically simple, plain black, but I'm really liking the borders of this table. I think this is solids. Yeah, I have to go for solids. I just turned it off. Wait, if I can go for the red, I'll be very happy. I cannot. I mean, see, black. Have I made a mistake by choosing? Okay. Can I put the blue ball, stop cue ball? Oh, this is very difficult, man. I did not think this game is gonna go like this. Okay, looks like, wait, this is still, I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I don't think so. The red ball is going in. Oh, it is going, but it's very risky. So I'm gonna go for the red ball actually in this pocket. Yes. And now I will have to go for the black ball in the same pocket. So hopefully, guys, I mean, it all depends on this shot. If I don't put this shot, it's all a waste of time. But this was a very nice first game, Marcos. I am sorry from Brazil, bro. Yeah, okay. Yes, quit the game. Okay, from the United States. Wait. This guy has 11 Moonlight 9-ball pool rings. So this guy is basically 9-ball pool veteran. Because there are, as I said 2 videos ago, there are some players, actually a lot of players, who only play on the, who only play 9-ball pool. And I got so many comments about, people claiming that yes, I'm one of them. However, sad news is I'm gonna lose this game because I don't know. Don't touch the orange ball. Oh my god, I'm very lucky. This was a very lucky shot. So am I today lucky in this game? Let's add some top right spin. Okay, more, yeah, picture perfect. Once again, nice shots over here. I have to go for a back. Well, it's also going in normally, I think, yeah. But let's, wait, is this bank shot even possible? Why not? When we are attempting it on this, okay, I'm being way too arrogant right now. Again, he quits. I don't think so. I mean, with extreme amount of luck, it's gonna go inside, but no, I'm sorry, I was not lucky. Okay, I'm recording this video once again in the noon, and it's not night like I normally record, so you might hear the German Shepherd barking. So I'm telling beforehand. I mean, if you're a new subscriber, my neighbor has a German Shepherd dog, so when I'm recording at night, it's obviously sleeping, but when I'm recording in the daytime, it's not. So be aware of that. Let's go for the brown ball. Like that. This is my third match. I definitely thought that I'm gonna lose this game, but he got unlucky, and obviously if he got unlucky, then we got lucky. There goes my red ball, back to back, superb, delicious bank shots going on. Oh, I got a cardiac arrest over there because I was very close to missing that shot actually. There goes my yellow ball. Yeah, don't think, man. I'm talking to my, okay. As soon as I play, directly quits. I mean, the news is that this guy has messed up, but then there's another news. That is the top right side, obviously the black, orange. These balls are not in a very nice position. If I'm gonna go for the yellow ball like that, let me add some left spin actually. This was a very clever shot over here. And I think with this shot, maybe we can just completely win this game. What do you think? I am trying to get rid of the green and orange first because they're in a bad position. Most people actually would have gone for the green and orange in the end. Actually, I think that was the right thing because now when I'm going to add backspin... No. Thanks to my minimal force that something really bad did not happen. Let's go for the purple ball right now. When I'm gonna go for the brown ball, I'm naturally not. Oh, yeah, it's possible that I know, but I might mess it up. Okay, I don't. Now, this is not his first account, this guy's. Obviously, this is not his main account, I think so, because first of all, 65 win percentage, level 19. Usually, it's not there when a person just installs 8-ball pool. So, it's a second account here. We have one. Time for the fifth match. Okay, so at least we won 4 matches consecutively up till now. Caesar is over here, 336. Should be my break. Yo, yes, it's my break. Dynamo Q, man, these Qs are just... I mean, I'm telling you, these 20 Qs over here, top 20, you just basically cannot tell the difference. Maybe at least 15, if 20 is a lot. Let's go for the purple ball, just like that. I mean, I went for the shot just out of pure excitement. There was no use, obviously. But now there's something, you know. I'm going to go for the yellow. I'm going to get rid of the green ball, because green ball is the problematic ball. And I also know that my brown right now is in the opposite side of the table. This is also that we should focus on. Right now, it's not the time. But this might make me put my cue ball. I'm gonna go for the red ball like that. So if I go for the brown and add top left spin, I think I will end up in a position where I can put the orange ball. Yes, very nice. Just slowly, steadily, step by step, and right in front of all. I thought the cue ball is gonna touch the right rail. I thought I tilted the aim. Is my eyesight okay? But losing like this? Still feeling bad, I'm not gonna lie about what happened in that game. Okay, so I just went for stripes actually. No man, I'm gonna go for this. Okay. Oh, but the purple is gonna be stuck. Like, why something bad has to always happen with me? Oh, I was unable to clear. This game is very simple, but only this purple ball is gonna... Obviously, I was wanting to go for the yellow in the last, but because of the situation... Wait, did he not put it? Oh! I think this was again a mistake. Now this was definitely no. I think we can. Let me add some right spin. Oh yes. So this game was ours, man. Sometimes divinity plays a role, I think. Solids, and starting with the red ball. Now, I know I went for solids in this game, but see, I want to win a match, man. It's been way too long that I've actually won a real game. Like, okay, blue ball is gonna go inside. I did not want that to happen, but it did happen. So, let's go for the purple ball right now. Okay, I just went for the shot depending on my luck. And looks like I'm lucky enough. And maybe this game actually will be over. What do you think? Oh, I hit that with way too less force, I guess. No. Should have used more force, by the way. I think the green ball is gonna go inside. It's gonna... Like, something's definitely up with me today. I mean, what is happening? Sometimes I'm about to make the most obvious... Same thing happened in that jackpot thing, you know, when I messed up the last shot. It was pretty simple. Something's definitely up with me. Okay, thank you, Billy. Now, since I saw in the previous video, the maxed out Moonlight Q, I am seeing actually, I've seen 2-3 people using that Q, maxed out Q. I don't know, maybe it's a coincidence, but before the previous video, I never saw that Q, and now I'm seeing some people using it. I think Miniclip also saw my video, and now they're matching me with players who are having that thing. Okay, let's go for the green ball. I don't want to lose one more game, man. I don't want to lose one more game. I actually want to win this game, but mind has changed. Let's go for a bank shot. There we go. But thanks to the amazing backspin that I used, that we can go for the orange ball and add backspin once again on this shot and go for the red. And looks like this is going to be a denial against Francis from Philippines. And people, oh, okay. Not bad. Some people are really, I'm not talking about this. Oh my god, by the way, he has 82 Mumbai wings. Yeah. Obviously, there's always one table on which a player plays the most for everyone. Maybe if you change this universe, this shot is possible if you change the laws of it. Can you imagine if that shot went inside? I would have trolled myself. Like, this would have been my greatest self-troll ever if that shot went inside, but I'm really lucky that I got saved. I mean, my reputation, well, I'm not, whenever, obviously it's an overstatement. When I'm recording a video, yes, I'm not saying that I don't feel anything about reputation, because then I'm not a human being. But I'm very confident, even that's why you see me showing my losses openly. Hold on, I think the green ball is going inside. Yeah, the top middle pocket, and this game can be won pretty simply. By the way, this is August from Switzerland, actually. Okay, it's not very common that we see someone from, I'm not saying it's very rare, but well, yeah, what am I talking about, man? Sometimes I'm stupid. Switzerland doesn't have that much population, so it's obvious that I'm gonna see lesser people as compared to USA, UK, Philippines, Canada. Okay, what is this ZA? I mean, okay, it might be a short form of the name, obviously. I thought, how is this? I mean, it might be a name. Not saying that. In some countries, it might be a name. What am I talking? I don't have to be serious, man. Sometimes I have to explain myself. I don't have to be that serious every single time. Okay, I'm gonna disturb my, yeah, yellow ball is gonna be stuck most likely. Was that some top right spin? This game actually can be won extremely simply, but should I complicate this game or should I win this game? It's all up to you people right now. I'm trying to make position for a bank shot. Okay, let's go for one in the top left pocket. Don't assume this is gonna go inside. There's a huge chance this shot will not go inside. But there's also some chance that this shot will... Cue ball? Okay, we won the game in style.